So this is room 418 at the Hilton Prague Old Town. Standard safe, ironing board, and then right next to the safe and the ironing board, you have some storage, hang your clothes, slippers, robes. We're only gonna be here for about 3 or 4 days, so this is plenty of space for us. Coffee and tea area, or beverage area rather. The room is very spacious, very clean. I always wipe everything down anyway, and I just did that. So we have the window open right now because it was a little warm when we came in, so we're just letting some cool air in. But we can overlook some of the square. It's so pretty. TV, room service, all of the things. Threw my stuff down here. Like I said, I just sanitized the room. Sofa is a pull-out bed, right? Didn't get the bathroom. Let's go to the bathroom. Have a full shower that has some height to it. Sink. Everything looks good, nice and clean. And the toilet is located behind the door. So my husband and I are extremely tall. He's 6'4", I'm right at 6 feet. Shower looks like it has plenty of room. The bed looks like it has plenty of space. So that is it for room 418 at the Hilton Prague Old Town.